Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Tuesday, February 15, 2022. The markets are consolidating after the gap up this morning. So looking at the charts here, top left chart is the S&P chart. You can see we opened up above yesterday's high. So here's yesterday's high. We gapped up this morning, pushed higher, pulled back, pushed higher again, pulled back again, and now we are heading back near the highs. We've kind of been trading in a range all afternoon, but we are trading above the opening area and near the highs above yesterday's highs. So we're kind of holding on to the higher prices from the gap up this morning, and that's what we're going to be looking at this afternoon. Let me go ahead and get this set up. I've got all four instruments selected. The setup is going to be based upon entering the market long at 3 p.m. Eastern Time and exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now this morning we gapped up above the prior day high. So I'm going to hit equals here for open above prior day high, and then I'm going to go into the post-open filters. And I'm going to say that the gap did not fill, and what that means is we did not make it down to yesterday's closing price. So by going to the opening gap here, I'm going to hit equals next to gap not filled. And I'm also going to say at 3 o'clock, which is the time of entry, we're trading above the open. So that comes from this intraday close versus intraday range top option here. I've got equals next to close above open. We'll confirm that at 3 o'clock. We don't know that yet, but currently we're trading above the open. All right, lastly, let me put it in a similar market environment. Yesterday closed below a 10 and below a 200-day simple moving average. So I've added both of those to the test here. Now I can click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. When you open above the prior day high, you do not fill the gap, and at 3 o'clock, you're trading above the opening print. The prior session closed below the 10 and 200-day simple moving average. Historically, we've got 42 samples in the S&P. We've got 33 in the NASDAQ, 54 in the Dow, 50 in the Russell. The win rates on these are coming in pretty favored. S&P, 64% of these have closed above that 3 p.m. price. We got 73 in the NASDAQ, 69% in the Dow, 64 in the Russell. So win rates all favored there. If we look at the average moves, looks like the average loss a little bit larger here than the average win for the S&P. That's not the case for the NASDAQ. NASDAQ has a larger average win. Dow has a larger average loss, as does the Russell. So 3 out of 4 of these have larger average moves to the downside, but the win rates are definitely skewed more towards the upside. All 4 of those with win rates in the mid-60s or better, historically speaking, with this pattern. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.